Hello all. In this video, we are going to see how to create filters in the dataset. So what is filter? Filter is a function which subset the whole dataset into a small dataset based on the criteria. Suppose, for example, if we want to subset the whole dataset into a small dataset in which n at bat greater than 200. Like n at bat value greater than 200 only. Or suppose if you want, just scroll in the right. Suppose, for example, I want n home to be greater than 30. I just want the cells rows in which the value of n home is greater than 30. So we'll use filter in this case. So how to do that? Just right click on the column in which you want to filter. Right click. You can see there is a drop down menu appeared in the screen in which you can see the fourth option, add filter. You have to click on this option. It will open a small dialog box in which we have to specify the criteria. You can see at the left hand side we have a box. When you click on this arrow, you can see different options are there. These are called as logical operators, like equal to, greater than equal to, greater than, less than equal to, or less than. In this case, in this example, what we have to do, we want the data set in which n home value is greater than 30 only. So you have to select symbol greater, and in the right hand box you have to specify the number 30. So type 30 and click on this filter. When you click on this filter, you can see the change. From whole data set, only 12 records are being selected in which our n home value is greater than 30. And this filter, you can see at the top, the filter that we have just performed is getting showed in the filter option. Now suppose in this filter, like greater than 30 in n home, I also want to add another filter in which n hits value is greater than 200. So what we have to do, we have first done n home greater than 30, and from this small data set, I want just value in which n hat is greater than 200. So again, in n hat column, right click, and you in the add filter greater than, and in the value section you have to assign 200 and then filter. You can see in the top both the criteria, n home greater than 30 and n hits greater than 200 are applied, and we just got 2 records. In the whole data set, this criteria satisfied by just 2 records. And if you want to remove these filters, you just have to click this cross arrow in the filter option. In the top, you can see you have created this filter. If you want to remove it, you just have to click on cross button. This is all about your discrete values, greater than or less than. You can use in this discrete values. But what if you want to apply a filter in a string data type? Same procedure, right click, add filter. You can see the window, small window, but here there is no option like greater than or something. There are different, in teams, we have different teams in this column, and same options are available in this value. You can see different team names are there. Suppose I want just California team record. So just click on California and filter. Now you can see from the whole data set, we just got the team having California. We just got the records of California team. You can see all these values are for just California. So this is all about your filter function in both string data type and in numeric data type. And same, if you want to remove the filter, you can click on this cross arrow. This is all about the filters, and we have ended the section 2 of this series. So that's it for this video. Till then, keep learning.